All right, everybody, welcome to Workshop Studios. This is our friend George. Say hi, George.
Yeah, dude. Like, what?
Okay, George. So what are we doing today?
Well, man, this like bush here is dead.
What do we want to do about it, George?
Well, I don't know. Why don't we yank it out?
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. What do we want to use?
A car?
Good answer. I like that. What do you think we should put in the place of it?
Another bush, man.
Yeah, that sounds good. How about this one over here? Looks just like it.
Yeah, sure, dude.
All right, well, so maybe what should we get that one out of the ground with?
Maybe we should yank it out, too.
Okay, well, I think we got our plan then. We're going to get the car over here and yank a couple of plants out.
Oh, sounds good, man.
Okay, so we're all ready, right, George?
Yeah, man.
So we have a steel cable down here. Steel cable wrapped around the bush and around the trailer hitch. So let's see what that does. Well, that was pretty straightforward. So we got a nice hole there. So let's see if we can drag that one out the same way. Yeah, the roots are all kind of shot. There isn't anything in there that's very fine. So that was on its way out. All right, let's get that other one. Okay, George, we're about to pull. You sure you want to be up there?
Yeah, man. I gotta supervise over here, right?
Okay, well, it's up to you. You stay there, but liable to go flying. All right, George, you all right after that little ride you took?
Yeah, man. I think so.
All right, so I guess we got to get it planted. There's the new one right there. So we'll get it planted and then watered in. All right, George, I think we got it.
Yeah, man.
So let's hope that it survives the trauma of being pulled up and put over here, but I think it will. So we're gonna water it in several times. And you saw me stomping it there, getting the roots buried nice and deep. So that's that job done. Hooray! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Right, George?
Yeah, man. Like and subscribe, dude.
Okay. Bye.